What's up, guys? Today we have a video on some goodies to add to the 2017 Yamaha WR250R. Got some goodies in the mail, guys. Let's take a look and see what we got here. We got some Noiko car sound deeming mat. And over here we have packaging. We have a Flatlands Racing skid plate and a Flatlands Racing radiator guard. What's up, guys? Welcome to Motobeto 82. Today I'm going to do a quick video installing the Flatlands Racing skid plate and the Flatlands Racing radiator guard. Sorry for the sound. I literally live by a highway, so you'll probably hear the cars going by, so I apologize for that. But yeah, so I'm just going to go over the pieces real quick before I get started. So this is the Flatlands Racing skid plate. It is made out of rugged 3/16 aluminum. It's very light, but at the same time very strong. The welds are pretty good. They're TIG welded. It does come with all the hardware to install, and it's really easy to install. We'll kind of go over the specifics of how to install it here in a little bit. But this particular model is the number 24-45 skid plate, and it fits the 08 to 2018 Yamaha WR250R as well as the WR250X. So that's that. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention it also has the hole for the oil plug. That way you don't have to take off the skid plate every time you need to change the oil. And it also has some grooves in there for you know, for air, and also if you go mudding, whenever you're washing it off, you can squirt water through the shield, through the little vents here that will help clean the mud in there. So I don't know if you've had skid plates on your motorcycle before, but when you get mud in there, and if it doesn't have these slits, or if it's just solid, it's kind of a pain in the ass shooting water in there and trying to get all the mud out whenever you're washing it. It also has protection on the side of the motor case. So if you plan on doing any off-road type riding, obviously this is going to be something that you almost need. I guess you could just say fuck it and not put one on, but you know, having that protection for your motor is almost necessary. But anyway, so as far as the radiator guard, this is made out of 1/8 inch aluminum. It's also very rugged. It's TIG welded, and this is a little bit more complicated to install, but nothing too complicated. There's just a couple more steps to this one. But then over here I have the Noiko. It's the car canceling dinning mat. Basically, I'm just going to put it on the inside layer between the frame and the skid plate here. This is just to eliminate vibrations. I decided to go with this one because it is heat resistant. It's what else? It's heat resistant, and you know, you can get oil on it, you can get chemicals on it, and it won't. Well, I guess depending on the chemical, but I guess as far as like oil and stuff like that, you can get it on it and it won't really damage it, and it's gonna really eliminate the vibrations pretty good. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna kind of cut out the patterns here and get that installed first on the skid plate, and then we'll kind of move into the installing portion of it. Alright, as you can see, we've applied the layer of the mat. So this is going to help with the vibrations. I was going to put it here on the side, but I didn't want to go through the trouble. The frame kind of, as you can see, goes through here, here, here. So the actual part where the frame of the bike meets the skid plate is already covered. So this doesn't really touch anything, so it won't be vibrating against anything. So I just decided to do away with it. Alright, so the first thing that needs to happen is you need to remove these, I guess they call it protection, but these little plastic things on both sides. Get those removed first, and then install the skid plate. So let me go get some sockets. Alright, so you're going to need a 8mm socket. Go ahead and, oh, that's tying it up, don't want to do that. So that was pretty easy. Alright, so I'm going to put these off to the side. I'm probably going to keep them just in case something happens and I want to put the bike back to stock. Alright, to install this is literally just 4 bolts, 2 here and 2 down there. You can just hold this up right here like that with your feet, if your feet are big enough. If not, you can always just put a jack on there. And then, where's the screw? This is going to be a 4mm. Then we put some Loctite on there. It's probably a bit too much, but oh well. And that's pretty much it for the skid plate. Pretty easy. So now I've got to install the radiator guard, so I have to take off the seat in order to take off the fairing here. So I'm going to get to that real quick. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks for sticking around. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you next time.